Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a tutorial for this 2019 Hyundai Elantra. We're going to show you guys how to change the cabin air filter. In order to access the cabin air filter, we're going to go into the passenger side and access the glove box. We're going to open it here, and then you'll see two tabs, one on this side, one on the right side. All right, in order to remove the tabs, you're going to turn them counterclockwise. Now that we remove both tabs, you're going to let this drop. In this case, we do not have to remove the mechanism on the side because we have enough space to work with the air filter. In case you do, you can just squeeze and pull it out and it will just drop a little more. Cabin air filter is located here. In order to remove this cover, we're going to remove the two tabs here on the left and the right. Alright, quick side note. If you want to pay attention to the arrow here, it says the airflow is pointing downward. Just make sure to do the same thing when you put in your new filter. In order to remove it, just pull on it just a little bit, slide right out. You can find this at your local auto parts store or search it online with this part number here, which we'll leave down on the description below. We're going to put the cover back on. You're going to lift your glove box, put your tabs back, and turn it clockwise. Replacing your second tab clockwise as well. That completes the video for today. If you have any questions on this specific vehicle, be sure to leave the questions down in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel or suggest any future content. See you guys next video.